This is, I guess, what Weather Spy is all about. Look at this. Came to help my parents, and this is nuts. Yeah, so this would be you could call it the great March blizzard of 2026. March 15th. March 15th and 14th and 15th of 2026. You can see the wind is blowing pretty harshly in your direction. Obviously, it's a north wind. Temperatures should be dropping fairly soon. You can see the stuff moving very quickly. So, yeah, this is the other side of the weather spy. Not at Medicine Lake admiring cumulonimbus clouds or cumulus clouds or hot, humid days. No, a little bit on the other side of the equation here, but in March, the definition of March madness.